AI is here and it's changing everything fast. From the way we communicate to how we capture memories, artificial intelligence is opening up creative possibilities we never imagined before. One of the coolest tricks? Making your photos move. With just a few taps, you can breathe new life into your favorite images. Imagine your favorite holiday snap, or your pet suddenly alive with subtle motion. It's like watching your memories step off the page and into the present. Why do this? It's a fresh way to tell stories, make your social posts pop, and revive old memories. Animated photos grab attention and spark conversations. That photo of your grandparents. Picture them smiling or even sharing a little wink. Suddenly the past feels closer and more real, and you don't need any special skills. The AI does the heavy lifting. No complicated software or editing experience required. Just upload your photo and watch it animate. In seconds, you'll see your image transform before your eyes. This is creativity for everyone, not just techies. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just someone who loves photos, you can join in. Today we'll look at two tools, Immersity.ai for 3D effects and Pika.art for more creative motion. Each offers unique ways to animate your snaps. Immersity.ai, formerly Layer Pics, adds depth and realism, making your photos look like they're popping out of the screen. Pika.art can even turn text into video, letting your imagination run wild and bringing your ideas to life in a whole new way. We'll walk you through both step by step so you can follow along and create your own animated masterpieces. It's simple, fun, and you'll be animating your own snaps in no time. Let's dive in and unlock a whole new world of photo creativity together. First up, Immersity.ai, formerly Layer Pics. It's brilliant for adding 3D depth to your photos. Just visit their website, sign up and upload a photo with a clear subject and background. Use the simple sliders to adjust animation length and style, horizontal, vertical or circular movement. Play around to see what looks best. Immersity.ai stands out for its subtle, realistic depth, perfect for landscapes or portraits. When you're happy, download your animated image as a GIF or video. No complicated editing, just instant results. It's a quick way to make your photos feel more alive. Try it with different images to see the effect. Easy. Now let's talk about Pika.art, a platform that's changing the way we think about photos and animation. Unlike Immersity, Pika lets you add all kinds of motion to your images, or even completely change your image's style with just a few clicks. Simply upload your photo, then type a prompt describing the animation you want, like clouds drifting or hair blowing in the wind. You can get as creative or as specific as you like. Clear step-by-step instructions guide you through the process, making it easy for anyone to bring their vision to life, even if you're new to animation. Pika can also create entire videos from just a text prompt. Simply describe a scene and it animates it for you, opening up endless storytelling possibilities. The creative possibilities are huge, whether you want subtle movements like blinking eyes or dramatic transformations that turn a still photo into a moving scene. There's even a vibrant community gallery for inspiration where you can see what others have created and share your own work. Pika is always evolving, with new features and tools being added regularly, so you'll always have something new to try. It's like directing a mini movie with your words, giving you creative control over every detail of your animation. Experiment with different prompts and effects and see what unique creations you can come up with each time. With Pika, the only limit is your imagination, so let your creativity run wild and start painting your pictures with motion. Prompts are the secret ingredient to unlocking the full potential of AI animation tools, especially with innovative platforms like Pika. The way you communicate your ideas to the AI shapes the outcome, making your vision come alive on screen. The clearer and more descriptive your prompt, the more impressive and accurate your animation will be. Think of prompts as your creative blueprint. Every detail you add helps the AI understand exactly what you want. If you ever find yourself stuck or unsure where to start, ChatGPT 4.0 is here to be your creative brainstorming partner, ready to spark new ideas and help you refine your vision. Simply describe your image, the mood you want to convey, and the motion you imagine. The more context you provide, the better the AI can interpret your intent. For example, you might say, a ginger cat on a windowsill, slow blinks, fur ruffled by a gentle breeze. This level of detail helps the AI create something truly lifelike and engaging. ChatGPT 4.0 can help you craft detailed, vivid prompts for any AI tool, whether you're aiming for realism, fantasy, or something in between. It can even suggest different animation styles: cinematic, whimsical, playful, or dramatic, so you can experiment and find the perfect look for your project. The right words truly unlock the best results, revealing advanced features and creative possibilities you might not have considered. Don't hesitate to ask for help or try out new descriptions. Exploring different prompts can lead to unexpected and magical outcomes. The more specific and imaginative you are, the more magical and unique your animation will become, setting your work apart. Let AI help you discover and express your creative voice, turning your ideas into stunning animated stories. Need inspiration? Here are some prompt ideas. For Immersity.ai, just pick photos with depth: landscapes, portraits, cityscapes. For Pika, prompts unlock creativity. Try sun rays shimmer through forest trees, leaves rustling in a gentle breeze. Or city street at night, rain falling, headlights creating light trails. You can even start from scratch. A tiny robot explores a magical garden, dewdrops sparkling on giant petals. Or a lone astronaut discovers a glowing alien plant under twinkling stars. Describe the mood: peaceful, cinematic, whimsical. The more detail, the better the animation. Mix and match ideas and see what surprises you. Let your imagination lead the way. Every prompt is a new adventure. That's a quick tour of AI animation. Tools like Immersity.ai and Pika.art make it easy for anyone to create moving images. Animate old photos, make unique social posts, or bring stories to life. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different settings and prompts. The magic is in the process and discovery. You're the artist. AI is just your tool. Share your creations and inspire others. The future of creativity is here, and you're part of it. So go ahead, animate your world. See what you can make move.